Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the discounts from the inventory. So apparently Tesla has been removing all the discount from the inventory, and also I want to talk about the leasing of the new Tesla Model 3, how much it costs, and also the Model Y. So let's go straight into it. We go to inventories. So we used to see like the discount ranging anywhere from $4,000 all the way up to like $7,000, $8,000. But now it's barely any discount at all. Pretty much like no discount. As you can see here, this is the Model Y right here. And this is a rear-wheel drive. No discount at all. $44,990. Discounts here. This is for the this is a demo vehicle, so you get a little bit of discount, not a lot. 1,616 miles. Yet you only get about like $400 discount. So the discount are gone. And however, these cars right here, as you can see, they do qualify for the tax credit, and that's how much you'll be paying after the tax credit. So it's really hard to predict with Teslas. They increase the price, they take away the discount, they do all kinds of stuff. All right, so as you can see here, these are the rear-wheel drive right here, 38,000. And before, they used to have like a little toggle right here where you sort from low to high, and they removed it. They removed it like maybe 3 weeks ago. And here you can see, you can check for all kinds of colors here. Right, so this is the Model Y right here. Let's see if any discount on the performance, maybe. Alright, so again, as you can see the discount, this is to the demo vehicle, so you get what, like 11 or what, like $800 off of it. Still, so the performance, you get what, 45,000 after the tax, which is not bad. But again, a couple weeks ago we were seeing like $4,000 to $8,000 discount. But yeah, so no more discount in inventory. Maybe a couple $100 on the demo vehicle. All right, so let's get into the new vehicle, the Model 3, and let's see how much it costs for you if you want to lease it. So let's go to a custom order. Again, some of these vehicles here, they already have it at your local service center. In my case, they should have a whole bunch at the West Covina one. So as you can see, this is a Model 3, and expected delivery in May, April to May, and the price is $38,000. And you can order the long range as well too, but just go with the base one. Included color, just stealth gray, base model all the way down. You can add all the accessories that you like, or the mobile connector, the wall connector, wherever. But we're just going to test it out, just see what is the pricing for the leasing right here. As you can see right here, it pops up like available now. So if I really want this, I can just hit review the order and probably be able to pick it up in West Covina anytime soon. So as you can see here, this is your basic design of your vehicle. It's a Model 3. They call it Reengineered. Rear-wheel drive, stealth gray color, and it comes with 18-inch wheels, black premium interior, and basic autopilot. And you get a 30 days premium connectivities. And I think a Model Y, I see a 1 month free FSD, but I'm surprised it doesn't show it on here. But if you use the referral code, my referral code, or anybody's referral code, you get 3 months of full self-driving. So you can click on here for details here, basically what is included, right? And the lease amount, this is what you want to pay attention to. So you're leasing an electric vehicle, Tesla, best of the best, $2,999 down payment, and it'll be for 36 months, and you get 10,000 miles. And this one, the leasing, you also get the 10,500 like EV lease incentive distributed across the lease terms. And it also includes $1,390 destination fees, and excluding all the tax and all the stuff like that. But your monthly payment would be $299, which is not bad at all. And with the Tesla lease, at the end of the lease, you cannot buy the vehicle. You have to return it, right? So let's say if you want to do finance it. If you want to finance this one, your monthly payment will be $603, right? And it tells you down payment is 12%, $4,500, and the APR is 6.39, which is not bad. And it'll be for 72 months, and destination fee still there. So you might, if you're gonna go this route on financing, you might want to double check with the local credit union, because they usually be able to beat it like maybe 2% or 3% better, right? So yeah, so let's try the Model Y. I think the Model Y you pay $1,000, $100 more if you were to go with the lease. So instead of $299, it'd be $399. So let's custom order it. Let's see if the West Covina location has one available and ready to go as well too. So this one, go all the way down. Keep everything to basic, right? And custom order. Yeah, again, so they do have it at West Covina, so they do have it in inventory. So just hit review your order and they tell you all the stuff. Yeah, here we go. So the Model Y, it does come with a 30 days full self-driving trial, which Elon promised for all of the Teslas built over there in North America. I myself do have until I think May 1st to end the trial. And so far, if you haven't tried the full self-driving, or if you want to check out my other videos, it's great. So I had no issue with it. It's only a few instances, but most of the time it will take you from point A to point B with no issues. Here you can see the lease payment right here for the Model Y. Almost $3,000 down, and for 36 months, same, you get 10,000 miles, and it does include the 7,500 EV lease incentive too, and it distributed across the terms, $399. Say full details, you get all included, all like usual. Yep. Yeah, so you can pick it up one today if you're really into it. If you have solar system on your house, and if it's produced more than what you use, I think buying an EV is a no-brainer. That's what happened to me. I got the solar system, and then I bought the EV, and ever since then, other than the my Arcadia that I have to gas up maybe once every 2 months because my wife drives it locally, but other than that, I don't need to gas up the vehicle. I'm still using the 10,000 miles free supercharger from Tesla. And I think with my last trip to Vegas, I'm down to about 5,000. And I have until December to redeem all of them, as a matter of fact. So I got about a couple months, 7, 8 months to redeem it. But, and driving a Tesla, no maintenance fees, nothing at all. So far, all I did was just rotated the tires. And I think right now I got like a little bit under 13,000 miles. So which I will be doing another tire rotation soon, according to Tesla. And probably gonna do like a cabin filter replacement. So if that's something you're interested, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and wait for that videos. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to give it a like. If you love the channel, you love the content, and if you want to support the channel, you can do so by using my referral code, which I'll be listed in the descriptions. Other than that, thank you, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.